This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pull the wiper arm away from the windscreen until it locks. Swivel the blade through 90 degrees. Spread apart the clips and slide the blade down the arm a little, then disengage it from the hook. Locate the new blade over the arm. Pull the blade into the hook of the arm until the clips lock in place. Swivel the blade 90 degrees and gently lower the arm to the windscreen.